What is poppin', pretty gang? Happy holidays. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be a hygiene routine, and basically in this hygiene routine I'm going to show you how to just smell bomb, and how to get smooth, soft, glowy skin, how to get your skin at its healthiest state, and how to just overall be just the bomb, sis. So right now I'm washing my body with this sweet pea soap from Bath and Body Works. And I'm just washing my body under my arms, behind my ears. This is what a lot of people mess up at. A lot of people don't be washing behind their ears for real. And if you don't wash behind your ears, it can stain, sweetheart. So you need to make sure you wash behind your ears. So clean my armpits, wash my legs, my stomach, all that. And then you see me cleaning my back. And I'm just making sure I get that really good. You gotta clean your back because that's dirty if you don't. Next, I'm just taking this Duo Veil spin brush that was sent to me a little while ago. And let me just say, y'all, this thing right here is the bomb. Like, you just see me cleaning up under my arms. This gives you a deeper clean, because if you guys don't know, we can get a lot of buildup under our armpits and it can make you smell, you know what I'm saying? So just to give myself a deeper cleanse and a deeper exfoliation, I'm just cleaning under my armpits and on my chest, where I get a lot of, like, you know, I get body acne sometimes, especially when it's that time of month. So right now you just see me cleansing that area just to get a deeper cleanse in that area. Anywhere you feel like needs a deeper cleanse, I recommend using this brush. So then I'm just rinsing that off. Okay, so now I'm taking this microfiber towel and I'm soaping it up with some Dove soap. This is just the Dove original bar soap. That's what I always use. So then I'm gonna clean my downstairs area. And then after that, I take this exfoliating glove and I use a little bit of that Dove soap and exfoliate down there, because this will put your hygiene game on a whole nother level, y'all. Exfoliating is way bigger than we think it is. And then I'm exfoliating my whole body with this body scrub that is by me, of course, and you guys can check the link to the description below for my products that I have that you can use. They're all natural. They the bomb, boo. They the bomb. Try them out. Then after that, I'm taking this pumice stone by Duo Veil, the pumice stone attachment, and I'm exfoliating my feet, because this made my feet feel so soft, y'all. Check in the description box below for this product, because I'm giving y'all 75% off. Now I'm taking my sweet pea lotion and my homemade all natural body oil, which I love and smells bomb. These two together is just like, wow, your moisture is just gonna be unbearable. So I'm putting these two together and I'm rubbing them together. It smells so good, and I'm applying it to my body. And y'all, when I say, I'm not saying this just because of my product, these two together, especially that body oil, does help you maintain moisture. If you're somebody who can't maintain moisture, this product is for you. Definitely check the link to my product in the description box below and buy it. Okay, so now I'm taking my Duo Veil spin brush again, and I'm using the facial attachment, and I'm about to wash my face. Y'all, let me tell you something. This product is, the value of this spin brush is about like $100. I'm giving it to you for 75% off, which is $25. You will be able to purchase this for $25. Y'all, you can't beat this deal. What I got, this stuff is bomb. Like, can't beat the deal. You should definitely go purchase it. I feel like it's an investment that everyone can definitely use, and it helps you cleanse your face to a deeper level. So right now I'm just cleaning my face with Cetaphil, which is my favorite. Now I'm taking this Beautiful Day perfume and I'm spraying it all over myself, over my skin, over my pressure points, just to let that smell last on me all day and really get, you know what I'm saying, really be smelling bomb, sis. Then I'm taking this vitamin E oil and I'm just putting it on my face. I like the way this moisturizes my face. But yes, guys, this is pretty much how you get bomb looking skin, smooth and glowy, nicely moisturized, and how to smell bomb. This is my routine for what I do to be, like, you know, top tier, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs it up. If you're already subscribed, make sure you do that. Until next time, pretty gang, peace.